Here are 5 things you can expect as soon as you join LiveGood. Now, let me just tell you, this video is for anyone who just joined LiveGood or anybody who is thinking about it and researching LiveGood. This is what you can expect. Let's go. Number 1, if you do join the right team, a supportive team like LiveGood Stars, what you can expect is a welcome email. Now, in this email, it will share with you a private Facebook group. Okay. And this is for encouragement. And this is for like tips and tricks and all of that. Right. So you can expect this welcome email to have the Facebook group in there, a list of training videos so you can hit the ground running, and you can expect me. All right. So now I'm going to tell you, this is not no promotional salesy video, but this is really what you can expect. All right. So number 2, what you can expect is to share your link all over the place and to share it ASAP. And I'm going to tell you, because of my 20 some years in real estate, I have a habit of whatever I do it fast, because you can make the biggest impact if you hit the ground running immediately. Like, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. That's the number 1 thing I tell all of my teammates. Don't overthink, just do. Don't try to be perfect. Just do something. Okay. I had one of my new teammates the other day asked me about doing a PowerPoint presentation. So she said, where are the presentation slides? And so I said, well, what slides? Because, everybody kind of does their own thing. And she said, well, I want to do a presentation to really help my group, but I'm not good at PowerPoint. So my question is, why are you doing it then? Right? Don't overcomplicate this. Don't do anything you're not already good at and you're not already comfortable with. That is the beauty about LiveGood. You don't have to do all that, okay? LiveGood has a robust marketing system that does all the work for you. So stop overthinking, y'all. Just share the link, okay? Share the link. Tell people to watch the video, because the video will do all the talking for you so that you don't have to. All right. So number 3, what you can expect is fast growth. Now, if you watch my 10-step training video series that's going to be included in your welcome email, you are going to quickly get to people. I'm talking about definitely within the first few days. The way you're going to do that is following my 10-step training system. But once you get those 2 people, you are going to be amazed at how quickly 2 turns into 10, okay? Or 2 turns into 20. You're going to be amazed by that. So if you just, keep it simple and follow my simple steps, you will quickly turn 2 into 10. So expect the fast growth. That's my number 3. All right. So number 4, the 4th thing you can expect after joining LiveGood, expect maybe 1 or 2 people to ask for a handout. That's hilarious to me, y'all, because like I said, I have been in real estate for the last 20 years, but I have been a full-time entrepreneur, no job at all, for the last 11 years. And let me tell you this, LiveGood is a business. LiveGood is a business that is my road to financial freedom. And what I mean about financial freedom is I can get up and come to the office if I want to, or I can stay in bed or stay home and play with my dog if I want to do that too, right? But let me just tell you, in business, there are no handouts. Because let me tell you this, if I give you something or give anybody something, they're not going to do the work. If I got to give it to you, that's already telling me that you may not have what it takes to really get to that financial freedom level, right? And then tell me this, because quick story. So I had one person join my team. And when I tell you, on the very first day, he kept saying, share my link in your groups, share my link with your contacts, because I want to hurry up and get 2. And I was just thinking to myself, wow, if it were that easy, everybody would do it. Like, how fair is that for me to take a brand new person and share their link in my social media or with my contacts, and I haven't done that for everybody. That doesn't make sense, but I don't know. That's my opinion. Let me know. You let me know in the comments how fair that is. One being that it's totally unreasonable and totally unfair for me to share a brand new person's link with my contacts so they can hurry up and get to. And then 10, if you type 10 in the comment section, that means it's totally fair and I should have done it and I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments. I really want to know your answer. So scale of 1 to 10, unfair to everybody else or totally reasonable, very fair. I should have shared his link. Let me know. But let's get to let's get to number 5. And let me tell you though, if you are enjoying this video or learned anything so far, let me know that in the comment section too, or just click that like button. It really helps the channel. All right, so let's get to 5, y'all. What is my number 5? Let's see. Drum roll, please. All right, so number 5 of the things you can expect after joining LiveGood. Expect to be promoting the products without even trying to promote the products. Okay, so I find myself a little bit too often talking about my favorite, which I have right here. You know what this is, don't you? The Super Reds, right? So I find myself so often promoting Super Reds without even trying to. And it's because I'm serious. I've been in a situation once or twice, 2 or 3 times since I've had and started taking the Super Reds where I was feeling a little stressed. And so I just got me some Super Reds and I just felt better. It was like stress and weight was lifted off my chest. So you might find yourself, or you can expect to find yourself promoting LiveGood products even when you are not trying to. People might think you're trying to sell something, and it's like, no, I'm really just telling you how great these products are, how good it makes me feel. So, you know, but my thing is, it's their loss. If they think I'm trying to sell them something and that's their reason for not wanting to get involved or buy the product, that's on them. But I just tell my truth. So those are the 5 things you can expect after joining LiveGood. So if you are someone interested in, you know, turning your 30-second reels on Facebook or Instagram, if you want to learn how to turn those 30-second reels into real money and LiveGood membership teammates, if you want to learn how to do that, check the description box below this video. I'm going to put a link in there. Everybody knows I am the queen of reels. That is what I do like every day. You would think they pay me a lot of money to do that. But, you know, the reason that I'm so dedicated into posting reels on social media every day is because I have seen how quickly it grew my business. And I'm talking about any business I start, any affiliate marketing products or networks that I join, I'm quickly able to build them all because of reels. Okay, so if you go ahead and press like on this video, if it's your first time on this channel, be sure to subscribe because I'm always giving money making tips and helping people learn to make money online and grow a business, grow an online business. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Katina Willis. See you next time. Bye-bye.